everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great day. I had some boxes show up today that I did not expect, including this one, my Bolzano handbag subscription. I really do enjoy the subscription. It is affordable for what you get. You get great handbags and also accessories. So if you are unaware of what Bolzano handbag subscription is, obviously it's a handbag subscription, but you get one handbag per month along with 2 to 3 accessories, and it's like $33.95, like super affordable. They have some other options now on their website. You can like add some beauty add-ons, or they call it like purse companions, I believe. So things you can like put in your purse. Like, I think that's such a cute name for it, like beauty items, like I said. I've gotten that in the past. I don't know exactly what they gave me this month, so we'll see in just a moment. I just want to mention what it is and the price, and also that they have a code for me to share with you. So if you subscribe, you can get a free gift with the value of $45. I will leave that down below on how to do it. It's not like a code you enter when you're checking out. You actually search for what it is. I think it's called KITTYGIFT, and you add it to your cart, but there won't be any like charge for it, but you get a free gift. So if you are interested in the subscription, definitely check that out. So I will leave their link along with that information on how to get your free gift down below. But anyways, every month comes in this like duster bag, which is super cute. So you can use this to store your purses or to do whatever you feel like with it. There's like a little handle here. And there's some notes on top this month. So let's see what it says. It says, Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled. Yeah. And then there's some like offers on here. It says free cleansing brush when you purchase something. Yeah, there's just like some coupon codes here. If you make any purchases, you can get something free. So inside, it looks like there's something wrapped up. I believe this is probably the purse companions. And then there's the bag. So let's start with the bag. This is so cute. I don't think I have any white purses. And I have a lot of bags. I usually mention in the beginning of my video, which I forgot to do, I have a Bolzano playlist. So if you want to see all the bags I have received, check that out. I'll link that down below because I've gotten a lot of cute ones. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm guessing there is a chain that is tucked away. But yeah, I've never had a white purse ever. I wonder if I can keep this clean. So there's this little key chain here, whatever you want to call it. And I think to open it, you have to like press down, or what do you do? Squeeze it? Oh, there's stuff inside it. So these must be the accessories. So let me take some stuff out. It's like packed. So you have multiple options. So you can either use this white strap, or what it has on attached now, you can just have like a smaller handbag. So this one will be like more like longer, obviously. Sorry, I feel like I'm like, here, let me show you how long it would be. So this is like, you know, how long that strap would be compared to this. So a little bit longer in white if you don't like this, but I like how this looks actually. At first glance I was like, oh, is that kind of gaudy? Like, no, it actually is really cute. I like the tortoiseshell like material. Is that what you call it? I think so. I think that is super cute. On the back of the bag there is a little pocket. I always appreciate that. Just like throw in something you want to grab quick. It is pretty small, but you can definitely fit something in there. And then on the inside of the bag there's 2 compartments. Again, that makes it easier to organize things. In the first compartment, the closest to the front, there's like another little open side thing, and in the back there is a closed pocket. Why couldn't I come up with the word pocket right now? So this is like not the biggest bag ever, but there's still some room to put stuff in and also keep it in like an organized fashion. So cute. This is so different than any other purse I've gotten from them or any other purse in my collection. And I feel like if you change the straps, it like totally changes the look of the bag. So let me put the white strap on so I can show you what that looks like. So I guess this one doesn't come off, so you just can tuck it into the bag if you want to use the white strap. See what I mean? That totally changes the style. I like that. It's like almost like getting 2 bags. Like, this is pretty cute, right? I don't know. I think I might like this one better, but I don't know. I will have to see. I've never had a white purse, so I'm so curious to see how it will hold up. And it looks like it is adjustable the length this way too, so that's super awesome. So So what do you guys think? I don't think it's my all-time favorite I've received from them, but I do like it, and I do love that it is unique, so it's adding to my collection, you know? It's not just like super similar version of another black bag I have or whatever. So this is awesome. So let's see what accessories came like stuffed inside the bag. The first thing is in this green box. Sounds like maybe jewelry. Ooh, it is. Oh my God, this is pretty. This is super cute. So this is like different colored gems and different shapes too. Like a tiered necklace. Like it has a layered look. Let's get it off here. Isn't that pretty? And it's a little bit adjustable too, but it'll pretty much hit right around here. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh, when I look at my viewfinder, I see my battery flashing at me. This is the 5th video I filmed, so I think I'll make it through. But this is super cute. I like that there have like pops of color in it. I think this is perfect for summertime. I like this. I wouldn't wear it with what I'm wearing right now, or maybe I would because I feel like I need to have a shorter necklace if I do wear anything. But this is so cute. This might be my favorite piece of jewelry I've received from them. Yeah, it is. That's definitely my favorite out of all the pieces I've gotten from them, I think. Again, check out my playlist if you're curious. And it looks like there is a bracelet or like a bangle in this bag. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is cute, but it's definitely not as much my style as the necklace. Oh, and it kind of is bendy, so you can get it on no matter what your wrist size. It'll fit everyone. Actually, I do kind of like this. I didn't realize there's like some gemstones on the inside. You guys see? It's always hard for me. I always like to say that to you guys if you can answer. I wish you could. This is cute. I like that it's like comfy fitting, you know, but it's not like too big that it'll fall off or anything like that. And then the third accessory is a scarf, and their scarves are so pretty, you guys. You can either like tie these around your bag or wear them as a scarf or as a headband. I've been wanting to try it out as a headband. I need to like watch some YouTube tutorials on how to do that because I tried once and I don't think I folded it right. Oh, the cats are finally coming in. After like hours of filming, they woke up from their nap or something. They must have heard that plastic. But oh my God, you guys, isn't this pretty? They seriously have the prettiest scarves, and they feel like good material. Like they're not like cheap, you know? Like I don't think it says what it's made out of. Like I doubt it's like 100% like silk, because that would be like so expensive, but it feels like it feels really nice. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this. So pretty. I'm just gonna put it like this for now. And let's move on to this box. So this is what I'm guessing is the purse companions. This is pretty new. I think they started this 2 months ago, or like, for me at least, the last 2 boxes I've had, I think had this. Maybe longer, maybe like 3 months. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. I think you just like push it out. Oh my gosh, there's things in here. There's a lot of things in here. I said things in here. Oh, duh, there's things in here. There's a lot of things in here. So let's see. Oh my, this is probably like kind of expensive, right? The L'Oreal Revitalift line. This is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Face and Neck Contour Cream. This is a moisturizer. It says, smoother, firmer skin in 4 weeks, improves elasticity on the neck and jawline. It's made with Stimuplex plus Pro Retinol A. Oh my God, this sounds so nice. I recently went cruelty-free. I think by the time this video goes up, I will have announced that. So this is going into my giveaway pile, but I'm like kind of jealous because this has really good ingredients like retinol in it to help with anti-aging and all of that stuff. And this is like not cheap, you know? This is awesome thing to be added. So whenever I reach 5,000 subscribers, I will have my next giveaway. And then we have something by Swarovski. What? They have a perfume, Aura by Swarovski. Oh my gosh, I didn't know, they make the crystals. Wow, this is like not that small either. Oh, this looks cool. Oh my God, there's even a crystal on the top. I'm assuming it's a Swarovski crystal. And it says Swarovski on there. I'm not sure if you can see because it's so reflective. Let's see what this smells like. How do you do this? These are really good companions. There's still 2 other things in there, but oh my gosh. How do I open it? Do you like, oh, so you just take this up. And then there's not a spray or anything. Oh wait, or am I doing this wrong? It reminds me of like an elegant, like, older lady. Like, I'm trying to think of a way to say that, like, you're like rich grandma. But it's not bad or anything. Like, just like, it smells sophisticated. So I think you just like dabble it on. I don't think there's a sprayer. At first I thought maybe there was, so you just like go like this and you pick it up. So I have to look into this if I'm able to use it or not, but the packaging, the fact that it's Swarovski, and it's so cute. This is awesome. Oh my, I had no idea they had a free perfume line, but I feel like everyone does now. Like, if you go to like stores, you see like every celebrity in it, but like this is super nice. So Aura by Swarovski, this is the 5 mLs. This is definitely like, not their probably full size, but it's not a sample, so that's awesome. And then there's 2 lippies, and these are both by Desi. I think we received an eyeshadow palette from them in the past. So the first one, this is in, it says color 12. It's lustrous lip gloss. So that looks like. And then this one's like more pink, and this is color 5. So they don't have like actual names, they just have numbers. So this is the pink, so you can kind of see the difference. I like that they gave you 2 different kinds. I'm gonna look up their cruelty-free status right now just because I am curious, and I feel like that'll be easier to find than Swarovski. Yeah, I don't know, a quick Google search, I couldn't find anything. I remembered that my low battery is flashing, but these are really pretty, and I'm actually into glosses. I'm wearing a gloss right now, so I'll look into this more, but I think the colors are beautiful. I like pink. I think I like this like color 12 the best though, but they're both very pretty. So that is what they look like. So overall, I think this was a great Bolzano month. Like, the extras and the accessories are like amazing. Like, yeah, I mean, I know I can't use everything, but like, this is great. The purse is so cute, I think. I mean, I definitely won't wear it every day, but it's something I don't have in my collection that could definitely add to certain summer looks, especially like white in the summer. It's gonna be so cute. And the necklace, like I said, this is definitely cuter than any of the other jewelry pieces I've received. The ring is okay, pretty cute. So yeah, I think this is a good month overall. So definitely let me know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get Bolzano? I think this is such a good subscription. For the price, like the handbag are good quality. Like, definitely check out my playlist if you haven't seen any of the other bags because they're so cute. Like, I have so many now and I'm loving it. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.